Ko Nore mātana hau, he uri no miti mo te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai. Tēnā koe Tangaroa. Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai. Me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana. I runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, kei Aotea hau, a e hi ana māo ko taku karangarua a Jeff Cleave. Ka tukua ngā kohiru me ngā kūtai.
Bro, already, look at them all.
Ki te whakapōpoi ngā tāmure, ka tai mai ngā ika nui.
Oh, you're on, cuzzie.
Engari, ka puta mai te kaitango tāke ki te whakararu i a māua.
Gotta get it in before the shark turns up.
Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. A time of surging energy and a good day for fishing. Tēnā rā koutou e te whānau, nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. I te rānei kei Aotea hau, a e haere ana hau ki te tūtaki, ki taku karangarua, a Jeff Cleave, ko tō māua mahi i te rānei ko te hopu kai, kia MΑORI atu au ki tōku whānau, ki roto o tāmaki makaurau. Ko te wāhanga o te maramataka i te rānei ko Tangaroa Kiokio. I whiti mai a Tangaroa Kiokio i te ata pōnei, a kei roto tonu i tērā wāhanga o te maramataka mo te roanga o te rā, taino ki te kowhitinga mai anō o tāne, hei te ata pō a pōpō. So whānau, I'm looking forward to today, catching up with the cuzzie, my whanaunga on our Te Wake side, from up in Pangaru, living here in Aotea, the place he grew up. Can't wait to get out there, see how the day goes, get some kai, nō reira, e te whānau, kia mautonu mai. Oh. What a beautiful spot e te whānau. Anei ko te kāinga o taku karangarua nei, Jeff. Looks like he's having a little bit of a relax. Oh, I thought we were turning up to go fishing. Oosh, morena cuzzie.
Oh, morena my cars. Nau mai hoki mai ki Aotea.
Oi, tēnā
Ki
koe.
te kāinga nei, pai ki te kiti koe i tēnei ata.
Oi, kia koe hoki, bro. Look at this whānau. What a spot. Beautiful morning here in Aotea at the Cuzzie's Kāinga. Nice warm hot tub.
Well, you did say you'd be here at 7, so I thought I'd hop in at 7, and here you are at 8, so...
Yeah, fair point.
We've got the right cycle in Maramataka, where, hey, it's all on. Shall I put some clothes on? I'll jump out.
Make a plan. That's us, whānau. Me. Life jacket. Get this boat on and then we're good to go.
Yeah, bro. Keep coming. Hold. Not his first rodeo backing up, eh?
Ka wehe atu i te kāinga o Jeff i o Kiwi, a ka haere tonu māua ma roto i te ngahere ki te whanga o Rarohara. Ko reira, ka whakarewa i te poti. Okay, so launch, head out, target liveys. Yeah. That's going to be important. And then get some kūtai for our burley.
Settle in.
Send it. Yeah. Ko te haere māua ki tētahi o tā Jeff tēnō tauranga mo te hi tāmure. A ko te tumanako ia ka whaihua māua ki reira i tēnei wahanga o Tangaroa Kiokio.
Well, that's us, cuzzie. Ui.
Whānau, te mahi tuatahi konei, puta atu ana rapua i ngā koheru hei maunu ora mo ngā tāmure.
Kia ora.
I tēnei wāhia tāhua o Aotea. Looking forward to this, cuzzie.
Andy.
E mōhio MΑORI ka ana Jeff ki enei wai, a e rima noa ngā miniti no te wehe ngātu i te wāpu, ko tai ki te wāhi tuatahi ki te hopu koheru.
E te whānau, ko tatu mai ki tēnei wāhi, ko te mahi kone ka tukua enei matau iti ki te hopu i ngā koheru, hei maunu mo te tāmure. So we've got a little bit of bait sign on the sounder. Drop here, see if we can get some koheru. Before we head on out to try and get us some nice tāmure with the cuzzie Jeff in this phase of Tangaroa Kiokio.
Oh, yeah, cousin, I'm on.
Nice, so am I, cousin, so am I.
Oh, look at the sounder now, my bro.
Yeah, she's lighting up.
Oh, got two, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm on.
It's right there, eh?
There we go. This is what we're after. Whānau, it is so important we catch these because, one, we don't have bait, but the idea is to keep these alive. They need to stay alive, and they will entice big tāmure at our next spot when we're going with the cuzzie Jeff. Too good.
Here we go, bro. That's the size we want.
Yeah, bro. Nice, nice. Tēnei wā o Tangaroa Kiokio, ki te ana ngā hua, ko ngā koheru enei. That's a perfect. So how many do you reckon we need for today, cuzzie? Just to be sure.
Without sounding greedy, 50?
Yeah. Well, you don't want to get out there and not have enough, right?
Because the way we're going to fish, it's very difficult to catch bait fish out there because we don't use burley as such.
It's always fun. I love catching koheru, cuzzie.
Oh, bro.
You know?
Hey, sometimes the smallest prey give you the biggest kick, bro.
Oh, I know, right? E te whānau tēnā pia te kaumārua ngā koheru ko hopu i a māua ko Jeff. Engari, ko te hiehia kia rima te kau ngā koheru ki te whakaki, te taika. Hei maunu ora mō te wāhi hiake māo i ngā tāmure.
Aye.
It's very important that we get these. We've got to keep them alive, send them down as live bait. Hopefully the tāmure will come in and hammer them in this phase of Tangaroa Kiokio. He wā whaihua mō te mahi moana, te mahi hiika. We're seeing a beautiful day today.
Aye, bro.
Get the rest of our koheru straight to our tāmure spot and we'll be on. Check this out, whānau. Got a full house, one's just fallen off the hook, but that's not bad. I think we might get our numbers that we want, cuzzie.
And, bro, for those that don't make it, nothing wrong with a good, massive, beautiful dead bait too, eh, bro?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, brother.
Ka nui tēnā. Ko whakaki te taika i ngā koheru. Time for us to head off. We've got plenty of koheru now.
Aye, brother.
Too good, cuzzie. We found them. That's the main thing. Off to our next spot. We're going to go and target some tāmure now. Got plenty of liveys on board. We're good to go.
E whai ake nei, mā te tuku kūtai ko natu ka whakapoapoa te tini tāmure.
Bro, you look at them all.
Yes, cuzzie, you're on.
Ka kaingia te ika nui a Jeff e te mango.
Bronzy's got it.
Engari, ka tāe au te hiake i tāku.
Whānau, this is a nice fish.
Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. A time of surging energy and a good day for fishing. Kei Aotea hau e hi ana me taku karangarua a Jeff. E manako nui ana hau mā ngā tohu o Tangaroa Kiokio, ka tāia ngā tāmure pai te hopu. I aenei nā e haere ana māua ki tētahi tauranga pai a Jeff ki te hi tāmure.
How beautiful is this, whānau? Just around the corner, we're going to be arriving at our first spot, targeting big tāmure, and of course, not forgetting our main purpose, and that's to get kai to take back for the whānau. Tangaroa Kiokio is still in the sky, making its way out to the west, and then early hours tomorrow morning we'll see the rise of Aotea. Still a productive time for fishing, but we get closer and closer to Whiro over the next few days. We've got that waning crescent, so each day you'll see the moon in the sky and you'll see it getting smaller and smaller and smaller. But we're here in this Tangaroa Kiokio phase, just about to arrive. Conditions are beautiful. Got a good feeling about this whānau. Hey, cuzzie.
Oh, my bro.
Oh.
Ka hore I roa, ka tai atu māua ki tētahi pāmu kūtai.
We're going to go in here. I've got a little black rope just in the front there. If we just whip it on this side of the closest buoy
Yeah.
and tie it back off, we should be good to go.
So we're going to sit on this side, eh? we're going to tie up and then sort ourselves out to start fishing.
First steps for me would probably be we'll refresh this water, keep our liveys because we don't have a pump in there, eh? And then hey, like everything else, burley. We're going to go for a kutai. We'll be smashing up for burley. We want to put those on the bottom for the big fish. It gets them aggressive. They don't even have to be hungry.
I te tukunga atu o ngā kūtai ko natu, ka tae mai ngā tini tāmure.
Oh, bro. There's like 100 tāmure, about that big, just below the boat. Bro, already, look at them all.
I nā hoki te miharo ki te kite I te huhua tāmure e ora ana I tēnei pāmu kūtai. Ko ngā kūtai te kai matua mo ngā tini tāmure I konei, ā nā whai anoa ko ngā rāngai nui e ki te ana. Ko te pātai nui ia nei, me nā rānei ka kai ngā tāmure I ngā koheru e tuku ana māua hei maunu ora.
This little fella here, he looks like Canada. He's still got a little bit of life.
This one's died. I don't usually use dead ones, but he can still give a couple of kicks when he gets to the bottom, maybe. That's all he's got to do. It'll be a very uncomfortable, dark, horrible place to be, eh? Being a koheru down there.
Oh, I reckon.
I've found here that the more burley you have doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing. I like to chunk and make it difficult for little snapper to hit the mussels that we put over. So I just put a little ding in them. Exciting way to fish though, eh? Having something live on your hook.
I te tatūtanga o te kōheru ki raro, he maha ngā tāmure ka eke mai ki te tuki I te maunu ora nei. Engari, te āhua nei e harapea e nei I ngā ika rarahi.
Oh!
Love it. Love the sound effects, cuzzie.
Oh, look at it, man!
Oh, you on, cuzzie? Yeah, boy.
Oh, wicked! Yeah, bro. This might be the ticket.
All right. Fine, I'm just going to hook up this little koheru with one of the edge strayline rigs. Just send them on down. And hopefully a big tāmure will come and eat it.
Bro, there's some stuff going on down there.
I aia nei nā e tāre ana tētahi tāmure te whakamau.
Well, whānau, I've hooked up on something here. Koe no, taku kitenga he mea nonohi. Just a little panny. Not quite the size we want to keep whānau, so this one can go back to Tangaroa. Cuzzie Jeff's just getting a few bites over there, so the fish are here, that's the main thing. A whānau, me whakahokia, tēnei kia Tangaroa. Ka pai. Zoe. All right, get another one in.
E pai ana ngā tohu I konei, ā e kore ka hore ka tae mai ngā tāmure nui.
Here we go.
Ki te kai I ngā maunu ora.
Yes, Cuzzie, you're on. You are on. Oh, look at that bend, whānau. Yee! Oh, that's good fish, Cuzzie.
Bro, what's this drag set to, brother?
Well, I don't know, bro. Heavy.
Yeah, bro, this thing's got a wiggle on, bro.
Yeah, good fish, Cuzzie, good fish.
Oh, we've got a bit of colour down there, bro. Nice looking fish.
Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Oh, bro, look at that. Oh, fella. Cuzzie, that's a mean fish.
There we go, whānau. That's a fish to take home and be proud of.
Oh, look at that.
Whānau, check that out. This is what I would call the perfect eater. And because of that, I'm gonna eat her. And it actually reduces the amount of work you take home. I prefer to take home 1 or 2 or 3 fish like this instead of 20 little ones. So kia ora Tangaroa, I sent the last one back. I'm going to take this one home for the whānau. Kia ora.
Hey, Cuzzie, beautiful fish. Cuzzie Jeff just caught a nice tāmure te whānau, so I've got my next livey down, hoping I might have just as much luck here in this beautiful place in Aotea, fishing the phase of Tangaroa Kiokio. It's always a productive time, and we're seeing that today out in this beautiful area. Might be just a little bit of spill on there and getting hit. I got another fish on here. Tāhua nei he tāmure.
Oh. Hey, bro, they're a better sized fish, eh, bro?
Look at this whānau. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that tāmure. Beautiful fish. Out here in Aotea. That one swallowed the hook by the looks of it, bleeding out the gills, so I'll put this in the bin, get another bait on, drop it back down. Too good.
Engari, I te tuatahi me whakahau ora hau I ngā koheru I a Jeff e tuku ana anō I ngā kūtai ko natu natu. He mahi tika tēnei.
Maybe one more.
Kia pai ai te hopu ika.
Getting us there, eh?
Ā, e ki te tonu ana māua I ngā tini tāmure e tai mai ana.
Oh, you're on, cuzzie. Oh, look at that rod.
Gotta say, I'm not usually that guy. I do not personally own a bait runner, but I get it.
He mahi māma mo te tākai pen liveliner me te tautara spinfisher ki te hiake I ngā tāmure.
And I don't own this rod, but it performs well. Bro, they're solid fish, kare.
Beautiful fish. Oh, look at that, cuzzie.
But what I'm going to do before I even try to pull the hook out, so we'll icky it first, then it's not going to feel stage 2, which is actually taking the hook out. But this is the perfect size fish to take home. Isn't that beautiful?
The whānau, I've just got my sinker like this so I can't go too far. Keeps me in close proximity to my livey. So when that goes down, the livey's going to be in touch with my sinker. I can feel it better. Got a feeling this is going to work.
E kite ana māua I ngā hua o Tangaroa I tēnei wahanga o Tangaroa Kiokio. Mēara wāke, kua hopu anō ahau I tētahi.
Oh, bro.
Another nice fish here, whānau.
Oh, nice, bro.
Beautiful.
They're coming into share.
Yep.
Far out, that's a beaut, bro.
Oh. Oh. Check this out, whānau. Beautiful, beautiful tāmure. Oh, he just smashed that livey and he swallowed the hook, so this one definitely has to go into the bin. That's a perfect size fish, cuzzie.
Bro, that is a stunning fish.
Okay, well, we're going to have to icky this one, get them on ice, and then just keep fishing and see how we go, cuzzie. It's going to be plenty whānau fed tonight.
Right,
and I'll get to take some back to Tāmaki when I head back up Pōpō. Beautiful. Oh, nōku te waimari. Yeah.
E whai ake nei, ka rahi ake ngā tāmure.
It's a nice tāmure.
Engari, he mahi ua ki te karo I ngā mango.
Look at that big bronzy.
Ka hopu I ahau te iko te rā, engari, ka taia te eke ki te puti.
Hopefully the one I've been waiting for while I've been watching the cuzzie.
Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon, a time of surging energy and a great day for fishing. Kei Aotea māua ko taku karangarua Jeff e hi ana, ā ko whaihua māua I konei I tēnei wahanga o Tangaroa Kiokio. E hiarau tāmure ko tai mai, ā mā te tuku koheru hei maunu ora ko timata te ngau a ngā tāmure nui. Ka hore anō māua kia hopu I tētahi tāmure rarahi rawa, engari e manako nui ana māua ka eke mai ētahi.
I see it kind of like this whānau. When you put a nice bait in the water, right? I look at that like you got a Snickers bar in your hand. Well, if you chuck a Snickers bar in front of me and my son Weremu, he's going to get to it way faster than me. But if you chuck in a king-size slab of chocolate bar, he'll only get to eat about a quarter of it before Big Daddy comes through. So I'm actually waiting for Big Daddy to come through. So big baits, big fish, hopefully.
Oh, yeah. Fish on, mate.
Oh, go, brother. Oh.
Yeah, whānau. Oh, come here, little boy. He, ko hopu au te tahi. Āhua rahi ake ki ngā mea ko hopu I au. Eish. It's a nice time with it.
Oh, I got it, bro.
Oh, you on too, Cuzzie?
Oh, yeah, bro.
Oh, Cuzzie Jeff's on. Check this beautiful tamere out, whānau. He swallowed the hook, but he's a good eating size, so this one can go in the bin. Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
Oh, whānau, this one's got a bit more to it. We'll soon see. Holy shit, look at that big bronzy. Holy shit, the bronzy's got it.
Oh, no, Cuzzie.
Look at it. Man, that bronzy was massive. Oh, where whānau. Whānau.
Oh, Jeff, look at the size of that fish too. Oh,
Look at the bronzy. Look at it.
oh, yeah.
Look at it. Look at that. Check that out.
Bro. Cuzzie.
Oh, where whānau. Whānau just had a beautiful tāmere on the line. Perfect one to go back. Like, that's a shame, whānau.
Oh, bro, that could have... Bro, that looks like...
Yeah.
Bro, that was a 20-pound tamere, Cuzzie. Whānau. Whānau.
Like,
Oh, that's such a shame. I'll tell you what, though. Although the bronzy's taken majority of the fish, some of the best parts still there, eh, Cuzzie?
bro,
The head, the wings, you just cut the bits of the shark out and then put it in the
Smoke
pot,
it.
smoke it up.
smoke it up, bro. That's how I'll respect this fish.
It won't go to waste, whānau, but oh, that was a big shark and that's very unfortunate. Hopefully that bronzy's full and takes off somewhere else.
Yeah, cuz.
I te taenga mai o te mango, ka whakatauria e māua kia tukua te mauni whakamutunga I mua I te hokinga atu ki te kāinga.
Yeah, fish on.
Oh,
Fish on.
oh yeah. Bro, that's got some weight, eh, bro?
Yes, whānau, we got a good fish on here. Not too bad.
Hey, bro.
Hopefully that bronzy's not around that mongo. We've got to get it in before the shark turns up. But it's a nice fish, whānau. This is a nice fish. Hopefully the one I've been waiting for while I've been watching the cuzzie, doing all the work, catching all the big fish. And we've got kai in this phase of Tangaroa Kiokio, as to be expected. Tērā te wahanga o te marama whaihua ana, especially around the moana. Yeah. It's nice fish. Let's go.
Come on, my cuz.
It's not a bad fish, whānau. Just starting to see a bit of colour here. Here we go. Oh!
Oh,
Oh, yeah. That's hooked
holy.
right in the puku. Okay, I'm going to have to try and grab him under here and without trying to damage him.
Wow, cuz. Bro, that's a beautiful, healthy fish there, my brother. Far out. Oh, where, cuz?
Oh, whānau. Oh, check this out. This is a mean tamere. Whānau, check this tamere out. Oh, I tell you what, I'm pretty wrapped with this.
Kia ora.
And we got plenty of kai. We got some tamere to take home. So, again, Cuzzie, such a privilege. Thank
Much
you
love.
for bringing me out. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Where's that big head of yours, Cuzzie?
Oh, where?
You know, the Cuzzie Jeff probably had a 20-pounder here. Unfortunately, it got sharked. I've got this good, nice big tamere,
Oh,
which
beautiful.
I want to release back to Tangaroa. Last fish of the day, so ka nui tēnā, that must be us.
Oh, that's us, my bro.
Nō reire te whānau, koe ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hieka, e ai ki te maramataka.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.